best person in your world. Think about your family, your spouse. Wherever you are, stop moving. Close your eyes. Please take a deep breath. The deepest of deep breath. Get some energy for yourself. You heard a lot of speakers yesterday, today. What are our takeaways? What have we understood? What would we implement those when in our lives? What's our next distinguished speaker attempting to make you understand? Keep your mind open, comfortable to understand. That's the only time learning and further understanding will happen. Take 5 deep breaths. Let's hear some noises, please. 5 deep breaths. 5 of the deepest. Think of the day you got married and now what do you think about it? The breath will go much better. For me, if I think of it 34 years back, oh my God, why did I make this mistake? Please sit down, all of you. Yeah. Good morning. I can't hear you. Good morning. Namaskar. I still can't hear you. Namaskar. Namaste. Kushamdeen. Right. Seti sir, can you introduce him? I will, yes. Come Pratik. He's an old friend, a dear colleague, and since he has already praised me in the morning, I can't afford to criticize him.
And I'm paying him cash after this.
Right? He is one of the finest in terms of understanding what people think. He has gone through some very different journeys. He has been a colleague in School News now for well over 5 years. He's more than a fixture. We met his wife and child, who herself is a very precocious child. So therefore, yesterday, I'll just start with what happened yesterday. Yesterday we had the Pascals talking about experiential learning and forcing you out of your comfort zone, talking about sex and sex education. Mr. Steele made life extremely interesting through music and pronunciation. And yours truly tried to bore you for 2 hours. This is the summary of yesterday. Today we have an exciting new speaker, Pratik Nair. And what are we going to talk about?
We're not going to talk about anything. We are just going to have a good time.
Yes. How will you make that good time? What is the nominal topic you have?
The topic I gave is a moment of silence, a round of applause.
Yes. A moment of silence, and then let's greet him with a big round of applause. Over to you, sir.
Thank you so very much. A very good morning to you. I already see a lot many serious faces. Om Guruve Namaha. Okay, you are teachers. I shouldn't be even standing here. But I work on ad films. I run a school of branding and advertising in our country. Okay, that is what I do for a living. So before I start, I would like to show you one film that I worked on, and then we will start. I think so that would pretty much tell you what exactly we're going to do. Can we? Okay. There are few rules here. Okay. I'm not going to put any PPT here and say point number 2 will make you a fantastic teacher. If you're not fantastic, you wouldn't have been in this room. Okay. Second, if you're expecting that you're going to sit there the entire time, बहुत ज्ञान दे रहा है ये इंसान, सरस्वती माँ मेरे साथ है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. I'm going to ask you to do a few things, so I hope you do it. And the third thing, I would love if you can ask questions, because I come from industry. I'm not an educator, I'm not a teacher. Okay, is that good? Okay, can we have the Facebook, Didi?
वापस बुलाया ही नहीं।
और घर पे अंकल आंटी जी कैसे हैं?
कैसे ही होंगे यार, पापा दी नौकरी चली गई है, छुट्टी कह के भेजा सी, वापस बुलाया ही नहीं। चल छड़। अमृतसर कैसा है?
सब सेम ही है यार।
पता नहीं लोग कैसे घर चला रहे हैं पूजा। और डेरी ते सब ठीक है?
1 मिनट होल्ड कर। अच्छा चल, मैं तेनू बाद विच कॉल करनी है।
ठीक है, तू ख्याल रख अपना।
पूजा मिल्क सेंटर को वर्कर्स की जरूरत है। अगर आप किसी को जानते हैं जिसकी हाल ही में नौकरी गई हो तो हमसे मिलने जरूर भेजें।
दीदी, दीदी, 1 मिनट आना।
की होया?
यहाँ की है? कहाँ जरूरत है हमें वर्कर्स की? 3 ही नहीं संभल रहे हैं पहले।
आपा की कहते सी बब्बू भूल गया? कुछ ऐसा बड़ा काम करो कि दुकान
छोटी पै जाए। अरे दीदी, लेकिन उनका मतलब कस्टमर से था।
तू खोया खा। उस्ताद जी, खोया बढ़िया बना है।
थैंक यू दीदी।
हाँ जी, पहले क्या काम करते थे?
जी मैं बिजली का काम करता था।
जी मैं प्लम्बर।
आप दोनों साथ हो?
नहीं जी मैं कारपेंटर।
ये मिल्क सेंटर है, रोज सवेरे 3 बजे आना होगा।
जी, जी, जी।
ठीक है, आ जाओ। छोटू, इनको ऊपर लेके जा। हाँ जी, आप?
दीदी, मैं नौकरी के बारे में पढ़ा था।
आ जाओ जी, आ जाओ। 3 बजे। हाँ
चलो भाई ऊपर चलो।
उस्ताद जी, ये सब आपके हवाले।
लेकिन दीदी यहाँ इतने आदमी करेंगे क्या?
वो करा लेंगे कुछ।
ओ दीदी,
हाँ जी भैया, क्या चाहिए?
क्या चाहिए? ओए तू कौन है?
जी मैं टिड्डा, न्यू मैनेजर। आप कौन?
मैं कौन? दस तेनू।
पाजी 1 मिनट।
ओ कौन हो आप लोग?
क्या हुआ तेरे को?
आप क्या काम करते थे?
जी मैं टेलरिंग का काम करता था।
अच्छा टेलर बाजी, आप किसी ड्राइवर मैकेनिक को भी जानते हो?
हाँ जी।
नहीं, मैं कह रहा उनको भी ले आना। उस्ताद जी, 1 मोर।
हेलो आंटी जी, ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਦਹੀਂ ਤੇ ਆ ਦੱਸੋ ਜੀ ਪਨੀਰ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਕਰਾਂ ਜੀ?
1 मिनट होल्ड करो। ओ आ की है?
पनीर आंटी जी बड़ा चंगा पनीर
ओ नहीं नहीं, तू रख अपना पनीर ते रख दही भी, मैं कितो होर ले लेनी है।
अरे आंटी
क्वालिटी गिर गई है तुम्हारी। हाँ मम्मी।
सॉरी दीदी, वो उस्ताद जी नहीं थे तो
नया काम सीखने में थोड़ा टाइम तो लगता है ना। कोई नहीं, आ जाओ।
जो रहंदी अणक है जी यार।
जुगनी दूध मलाई खांगी, जुगनी बढ़ती बढ़ती जांगी, जुगनी पिंड विच सब तो चंगी, जुगनी करदे सब सतरंगी, जुगनी गड्डी फास्ट चलांगी, जुगनी उड़दी उड़दी जांगी।
ये लो दीदी पनीर।
बढ़िया है, थोड़ा अपने घर ले जाओ।
हाँ जी
अच्छा, मेरे लिए भी बांध दो।
ठीक है।
मैं अंबर सर्दी गलियां च दिल दा पौधा चुंदी।
फौज क्यों इकट्ठी करी इतनी, जब खुद ही लड़नी है जंग?
ओए, पापा की कहंदे सी?
मम्मी पनीर में मटर मत डाला करो यार।
अंकल जी, गलता सुनो मेरी, थोड़ा टाइम दे तो मैंने सारी पेमेंट कर देनी है आपकी।
तो तरजी जी सामने पेमेंट नहीं आएगी तो मैं आगे पेमेंट कैसे करूँगा?
ठीक है अंदर ने
कुछ नहीं, चल।
बाजी वो दीदी की गाड़ी नहीं दिखाई।
और निकल गई तुम्हारी तनख्वाह में, बुला जाए गड्डी। दिवाली आने तक ना दिवाला निकल जाएगा हमारा, देख ले। एक्स्ट्रा लोगों को निकालना होगा यार।
और इनकी भी तो दिवाली है यार। लगी लाइटें? आजा बब्बू, स्माइल कर दे बेबी।
चलो ना यार।
जीती रहे पुत्र, जीती रहे।
पूजा दीदी, वेरी गुड।
वो देखो देखो पूजा, पूजा।
हाय पूजा।
तो क्या हो गया सबको? क्या हो गया यहाँ पे? चोरी तो नहीं होगी?
फटाफट।
हेलो, क्या हो रहा है ये? उस्ताद जी।
डिस्टेंस मेंटेन करके रखिए ना जरा।
ये सारे लोग।
दीदी वो आप हमारी फेसबुक फ्रेंड नहीं है ना, इसलिए शायद आपको पता नहीं लगा। आया जी आया।
ये है पूजा मिल्क सेंटर, गुरु बाजार में एक छोटी जी दुकान। इसको चाहती भी एक छोटी जी लड़की है, फिर भी हम सब उनको दीदी कहते हैं। जानते हो क्यों? क्योंकि जब सारी दुनिया लोगों को नौकरी से निकाल रही थी तो उन्होंने हमको नौकरी दी। दुकान में इतने बंदों की जरूरत नहीं थी, फिर भी उन्होंने हमको काम दिया। यहाँ तक कि हमारा पेट भरने के लिए उन्होंने अपनी गड्डी भी बेच दी। सिर्फ एक बड़ी बहन ही आपको इतनी हिम्मत और हौसला दे सकती है। आप सब भी यहाँ पर आइए, उन्हें हिम्मत दीजिए और उनका हौसला बढ़ाइए। पूजा मिल्क सेंटर, याद रखना।
दीदी, सच में छोटी पैगी दुकान।
मैं चल दिया, मैं बढ़ दिया, कुछ कर दिया, चल दिया।
दिल खोल के तो देखो, दुनिया खुल जाएगी। फेसबुक।
So when we made this ad, the only thing we wanted to say is that you can be a wonderful person if you're a giver. And I believe teachers are givers. You don't take anything. What about salary? Okay, my purpose here is to have fun with you, okay? How many people in this auditorium or this hall believes that I am an exceptionally good teacher than all of the people sitting here? Raise your hands. Raise your hands with pride, not like Indian hand. ऐसा लगता है 19-20 का फर्क है. Okay. Gentlemen, you raise your hands first, so go to the stage. You go to the stage. Raise your hands, raise your hands. You, please come up. You lady, please come. मैं यहीं पे ठीक हूँ। जितना प्यार चाहिए यहाँ से ले लो। Okay, gentlemen, you can come. Yes, you can come. That, sir, I know. Yes, you can come. Please come. Come. और भी हाथ थे कि तुमने उम्मीद भी छोड़ दी? आप एक शादीशुदा औरत जैसे बात मत करिए, मैं यहीं पे ठीक हूँ। जो करना है आप कर लीजिए। Okay, lady, you can come. Okay. Can we have one more mic? अब मैं आपसे कुछ ऐसे सवाल करूंगा जिसके बाद ये सारी पब्लिक आपसे नफरत करेगी। उनको ऑलरेडी लग रहा है कि यह आदमी कैसे चला गया, तो हम कहाँ आए हैं यहाँ? ओके, आपको क्यों लगता है, why do you feel that you are an exceptionally good teacher and even more importantly, better than these people.
एक टीचर वो होता है जो बच्चे को एक खुले आकाश में उड़ने की आज़ादी देता है, नहीं कि वो किसी दीवार में बंद करके उसको सिर्फ उसकी जो अंदर की जो क्वालिटी है उसको दबा दे। एक टीचर वो होता है जो उस बच्चे के अंदर
My question is why you? आप क्यों सबसे अच्छे हैं इन सब में? टीचर आसमान होता है, टीचर सागर होता है, दिल का दरिया होता है, माँ का प्यार होता है, ये सबको मालूम है। आप क्यों अच्छे हैं?
यस, मैं माय मास्टर, मेरे गुरु की कृपा से मैं अच्छा हूं, इसके आगे मैं कुछ नहीं कह सकता।
ठीक है, pass on the mic. Please introduce yourself. Yeah.
Myself Apul Jain, teacher from Mayur School, Jaipur.
Lovely. And why do you think you are the best amongst these wonderful people?
Like when I go in the class and I am with my all the child.
What are the ages of your the students? How old are they?
Grade 3, grade 4.
Grade 3, grade 4. Okay.
Okay, and like when I sing them, when I go in the class and they are sharing me the things, ki sir, we have done this, we have done this. So, like I have a listening capacity to understand the child, what like the child is demanding in the class at that time. So particularly I understand this, and then after that I will.
Why do you think that you are doing it and she is not doing it? ये जाकर बोलती है आज तो मैं नहीं सिखाऊंगी तुम्हें जो चाहिए खुद कर लो। तो आपको क्यों लगता है कि सिर्फ आप ही करते हैं, ये नहीं करती? बट क्या?
वो मैम अपने तरीके से करते होंगे, बट आई थिंक दैट कि द कैपेसिटी डूइंग द थिंग्स की सिचुएशनल थिंग्स।
इन लोग को तो बड़ा मजा आ रहा है और कुछ लोग बोल रहे अच्छा वह हम ऊपर नहीं गए। थैंक यू द लेडी हियर, थैंक यू। Okay.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Rani Agrawal from Mayur School, Jaipur. And according to me, my strength is helping me to give better things to others. And my strength is that I can give rise to many other professions, which a teacher can give, nobody else can give.
कुछ देर के बाद लोग बोलेंगे आई एम सुष्मिता सेन।
No.
How I should I? Okay. Look, you're not telling me anything special that makes you special. Yes. आप ऐसी कोई बात ही नहीं, ये तो सारे लोग कर रहे हैं ना, कर रहे हैं कि नहीं? वो थोड़े डाउट में, आज हमको मालूम पड़ा कि बच्चों को सिखाना ठीक तरह से है हमारा एकदम। चलिए, थैंक यू।
Good morning, friends. Since we are all teachers, some way or the other, if brevity is the soul of it, I'd love to be brief. I can only judge myself. I can't judge you. And when I look at myself, these 30 years of teaching, I get very emotional because I have given it my 101%. I know.
30 साल सुनते ही सारे यंग पीपल ने ताली बजा दी, हम तो 10 में छोड़ने वाले थे। But beautiful, ma'am. Thank you so very much. Very concise, very clear. Please finish.
Ma'am, there is one more thing I
Please.
would like to say. Even when I move in Jaipur, I have children who I taught in their pants. And they are those children who were never merit owners or medal winners. So they are the ones who come and say, ma'am, remember, you said we'll do great.
Yeah.
You've done great. And here we're showing you, I'm a lawyer, I'm a manager, I'm a businessman. So that makes me feel I have done something.
Fair enough.
Thank you.
Thank you. बगल में खड़े शाहरुख खान को जरा फोन दीजिए। चलिए। सलमान, सॉरी, देन ध्यान से सुनिएगा।
सर, सबसे पहले मैं आपको बहुत बहुत थैंक यू बोल रहा हूँ। जो वीडियो मैंने देखा, अभी मैं उस सिनेरियो से बाहर नहीं आ पाया हूँ।
ओके,
सो थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर मेकिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ।
अमित शर्मा मेड इट, मैं असिस्टेंट में था।
व्हाटएवर, लेट कंट्रीब्यूशन तो है ही आप।
हाँ जी।
दूसरा मैं अपने बारे में एक चीज मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करता हूँ. आई एम कुंवर भूपेंद्र सिंह तंवर फ्रॉम मयूर स्कूल, टीचिंग सोशल साइंस एंड ड्रामेटिक्स.
मैं अपने बच्चे को सिर्फ मयूर स्कूल में भेजने वाला हूं, इतना तो श्योर है.
बुरा जो देखन मैं चला, बुरा मिला न कोई, जो मन खोजा आपरा, मुझसे बुरा न कोई. आपने मुझे इनसे कंपेयर किया, ये मेरे लिए बहुत पूजनीय है, तो कंपैरिजन तो कहीं है नहीं. बट जब मैं क्लास में होता हूं तो मैं अपना घमंड, ईगो, अपनी पर्सनैलिटी सब छोड़ के उन बच्चों के साथ उन बच्चों जैसा होता हूं. इसके लिए मुझे बहुत रिपरकशन सहन करने पड़े, लेकिन इस पारंपरिक ट्रेडिशनल टीचिंग ढांचे को तोड़ने के लिए किसी को आवाज उठानी पड़ेगी, वो आवाज मैं उठाता हूं. इसीलिए बस मैं सोचता हूं कि मैं अच्छा कर रहा हूं.
काफी लोग को
So you want me to explain in English? See, breaking the traditional way of teaching and experimenting with myself.
देखो दुष्ट मिजाज के लोग भी आए हुए हैं.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं,
बताइए उनको.
हम सबसे पहले ये जान लें कि लिखना जरूरी नहीं था. हम प्राचीन काल से सिर्फ श्रुति और स्मृति पे काम कर रहे थे. महाभारत के 1.25 लाख श्लोक सिर्फ हमको याद थे क्योंकि हमने सुना और उसका उच्चारण किया. तो लिखने की पद्धति से ज्यादा उनको विजुअली, मतलब उनको दिखा के, कुछ खुद को उस रोल प्ले में करके, अपने आप को उस कैरेक्टर का बना के, अगर जैसे मैं कह रहा हूं उनको कि डिस्क्रिमिनेशन है, कास्ट बेस्ड जॉब्स पे डिस्क्रिप्शन क्यों होता है, तो मुझे खुद को उनके लिए स्वीपर जैसा रोल भी करना पड़ेगा. अपने अहंकार को खत्म करना पड़ेगा, उनको अपने कंधे पे बिठाना पड़ेगा, या फिर अपने रंग भेद की नीति के बारे में बात करनी पड़ेगी, कौन सा कलर कैसा होता है. उनके अंदर से वो फील निकालना पड़ेगा कि ये बच्चा खराब इसलिए है कि ये मोटा है या पतला है, या अच्छा है या बुरा है, या गरीब है या अमीर. तो सबको एक जगह एक लेवल पे लाने का जो चेंज है ना, वो चेंज करने की मैं कोशिश करता हूं. लेकिन हमारे पारंपरिक ढांचे में टीचर, सॉरी अब मैं आपके टीचर की बात करूं, अपने पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस को अपने क्लासरूम में रखते हैं.
जैसे ये लेक्चर खत्म होगा, उन 2 लेडियों को साथ में लेकर बाहर जाने का और पर्सनली बैठ के समझाने का कि मैं क्या करता हूं.
सवाल, कोई भी सवाल गलत नहीं होता है, मैं मानता हूं. पारंपरिक ढांचे में क्या, ये मत कर, वो मत कर, इधर, अरे ये बच्चा तो है ना, ये इसके माँ बाप यही सिखाते होंगे. तो ऐसे बहुत सारे 80% टीचर्स कमेंट करते हैं, ये तो शैतान है, इसको कुछ कहना ही कर ही नहीं सकता. वो मैंने आपके बारे में बोला नहीं, आपके बारे में बोला नहीं, मैंने एक जनरल परसेप्शन दिया है. आप सब लोग स्टैंड कर सकते हैं. आई स्टैंड विथ यू.
ये बात
यू
तो
ऑल आर नॉट सेइंग दिस, बट देयर आर पीपल.
सर, ये बात तो तय हो गई है. ये सेशन खत्म होने के पहले ये पार्लियामेंट जरूर बनने वाला है.
एंड प्लीज डू नो ऑफेंस, आई एम नॉट, मैं पूरी टीचर जमात के लिए कोई खराब बात नहीं कह रहा हूं, मैं खुद एक टीचर हूं. पर कहने का मतलब कि बच्चे के दिल में जगह करूंगा तो वो मुझे कन्फाइड करेगा और अपने घर से लेके अपनी जिंदगी के परिवर्तन की सब बात ला के देगा.
थैंक यू. गिव हिम अ गुड राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज एंड लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट लेडी.
Hi friends, I'm Sunita from Dharav High School. Though I am an English teacher, पर मैं हिंदी में बताऊंगी जो भी मुझे बोलना है. क्योंकि मैंने अभी सुना है वहाँ पर कि दिल से जो निकलती है वो अपनी मदर टंग में निकलती है. सो I'll try to explain myself.
कितने साल लगे आपको ये आज जानने के लिए?
मुझे बिल्कुल भी साल नहीं लगे सर, बट दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम हियर ऑन द स्टेज. और कभी भी ऐसे अपने आप को, पता नहीं हाथ क्यों अपने आप ऊंचा चला गया, क्योंकि दिल में ऐसा लगा कि एक्चुअली व्हेन आई वॉक इन टू माई क्लास, जब मैं अपनी क्लास में जाती हूँ और मुझे ये पता होता है हाँ फलानी चीज़ मुझे आज पढ़ानी है, एंड मेडिकली मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं बहुत लो कभी कभी फील करती हूँ, मतलब इतनी मेडिकली मैं फिट अपने आप को महसूस नहीं करती हूँ, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यदि मुझे ये चीज़ बच्चों को पढ़ानी है तो किसी भी हद तक मैं जाकर के, चाहे मुझे अपने में लगेगा कि नहीं अब थोड़े से चक्कर से भी आ रहे हैं या थोड़ा सा बोला नहीं जा रहा है या कुछ भी ऐसा हो रहा है, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी मैं अपनी पूरी कोशिश करती हूँ कि नहीं हर एक बच्चे को उनकी आंखों में मैं ये देखूं कि हाँ उन्हें ये चीज़ समझ आ गई है, और अगर नहीं आई है तो मैं फिर से रिपीट करूँ उस चीज़ को. तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है. थैंक यू.
ये तो मैडम हॉस्पिटल से गई है क्लासरूम में एक बार. ठीक है. I'll tell you why they are up and why few of you are sitting. There is a purpose. There is a purpose behind every madness that I'm going to do here. Okay? Then you'll say, hi. Okay, lovely. Yeah.
नमस्कार, मैं वशी सिंघानिया धारावाही स्कूल से. मैं हिंदी पढ़ाती हूँ, तो जब भी मैं कोई कहानी कविता या कुछ बताती हूँ, उनको समझाती हूँ, और उस दौरान वो बच्चे उससे जुड़ जाते हैं, उस अपनी समस्याएं बताते हैं, उसके समाधान बताते हैं, जब उनका जुड़ाव उससे होता है, वो उस क्षण मेरे लिए लगता है कि मैं बिल्कुल सक्सेस हुई हूँ, सफल हुई हूँ। मुझे सबसे बेस्ट मोमेंट वो लगता है जब उससे वो जुड़ जाते हैं।
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. First question, I'll introduce myself. Vishal Kanade from Billy Moria High School, Panchgani in Maharashtra. First question was why I think I'm the best teacher. Because I don't teach. I live my life with them. Simply how it takes me ahead. And second thing, why I am only the best? Because I think like that. And perhaps you didn't think, that's why you are not here. So that is what. I thought like that and I came.
Please give him a good round of applause. Can I choose on another person? Not a lady. I'm going to get dirty, so I need a man. Huh? Okay, let me tell you. Let me move on. If I want to, you're very intelligent people, and that is why where you are and what you're doing. This 15 minutes of engagement is good enough for you to understand. You clapped for a few people. You contradicted to some people. Some people were like flabbergasted. Some people just did not make any sense. These are teachers, but what I want to go, what he said makes a lot of difference. सिर्फ VIP चड्डी पहनो मत, VIP फील करो, क्योंकि मैं ब्रांड सिखाता हूँ. Now the thing is that it would have been beautiful if every one of you would have raised your hands and said, "Oh मैं हूँ." आप लोग बोले अरे क्या है क्या? सुबह सुबह बहुत ज्ञान हो गया. क्यों जाएं? If you don't feel like one, you will never be that person. I'm not saying that. I know that many people don't want to come to stage. Okay? Respect. Chappal baad mein maar lena mujhe. Okay? But we respect you. We love you. And what you showed for all the people who raised your hands, teacher should be one thing, really one thing, and that is shameless. Humble is a good word. जिसने की शर्म उसके फूटे करम. You should not be shy. If you even show an iota of shyness, you're done. Then you're not a teacher anymore. That's what I believe. I may be wrong. Yes, sir, I love him. Okay. Thank you so very much. Please give them a good round of applause. Thank you. The next thing I want to do here is, I've been doing this, it's been 2 decades. I've been doing this.
Can I just disturb you?
Please.
Could I share your mic? I'm very sorry I didn't introduce myself. I'm Beena Sharma from the Palace School, City Palace.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. How long have you been sitting in this auditorium or this hall? From yesterday, कितने घंटे? हाँ? कल से 12 घंटे? कल से 10, 6, 5, 4, ज्यादा तो बोलो ना. तो मुझसे क्यों बुलवा रहे हो? हाँ? कितने घंटे बैठे थे? 7 hours. 7 hours. Come here. Yes. What's your name? Mangalyam Tantuna. Come. उसका पति बैठने दो. Okay. Okay. What is her name?
I don't know.
बगल वाली. I love मला लाज वाटतो है. Okay, what's her name? ऐसा क्या? देखो मैंने मध्य प्रदेश, राजस्थान, मोदी नहीं बोला है. मैंने बोला इनका नाम क्या? इनका नाम क्या? इनका नाम? इनका मैम? इनका? 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 This lady here. Okay, come. A teacher. Since it is teachers here, everyone is a teacher here. You are sitting with the most comfortable person that you should be sitting with right now. And a teacher should never be comfortable. Everyone, please stand up. Okay, now what you need to do. Thank you so very much. आपका पति मुझे बाद में मारेगा. Thank you. Okay. Okay. What you need to do is, I'll give you maximum 2 minutes. Okay, you have done this yesterday because I did see you were going around and shaking hands with people and kissing people and all. I saw that yesterday, hugging people and everything. What you need to do is, I give you maximum 2 minutes. Take your purse, take your notepads, take everything that you have. Okay, you can do two things. Either you can run away from this lecture or please try to sit with a person that you don't like much. Everyone is like, India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and my brothers and sisters. Okay, let me put it this way. Try to sit with a person that you have not interacted at all in the last 2 days. Please, jaldi se. Vicky, can we play that first music? Thank you. People are grabbing each other's arm and asking, height kitna, naam kya tera, hai kaun tu? Okay. Can I walk to you? Can I walk to you? Come to you? I saw different kinds of people here. When I asked you to move, some people just stood where they are. मैं और मेरी तन्हाई अक्सर बातें करते हैं. And some people just stood there and say, हमको वोट करो, इधर आओ. Okay, let me see this. This lady is taking all the information possible. Address तक ले लिया इन सबका. Okay. Yes, come. What's your name?
Rajendra Gera.
Okay. Just tell me the names of all the people sitting with you.
I don't know. Ma'am, what's your name?
Okay. Please give him a good round of applause. ये वो इंसान है जो हर दिन लोकल में पाया जाता है, उसी बस में जाता है, उसी ट्रेन में जाता है और बहुत करीब करीब जाता है. लेकिन अगर उससे पूछो कि बगल वाला कौन है, हमको क्या मालूम. How could you be sitting in a room without knowing other people? Yesterday I did a small sampling with you. I walked around you and I smiled at few people and you were like, huh? You just did not smile at me. And some people, they did that too. And I loved it. How could you be so selective if you are a teacher? Because a teacher is not selective. I think so. Salman Khan just said that. He said, Salman Khan just, you said that, na? You cannot be selective. इस पाप की तो भरपाई करनी पड़ेगी आपको. अब आपको करना क्या है कि यहीं खड़े रहिए. So now you know the people in on your table. Do you know? Yes or no? Why are you not making an attempt to know? Look at that lady. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Some people are having a very good time. Height कितना है? 6. अच्छा कल नहीं हुआ, ठीक है, very good. Okay, yes. Listen. So first thing that we spoke about is that you have to feel important to be important. Second thing that I spoke about is you can never be comfortable. If you're comfortable, dead. In cinema, we are taught that. We are only as good as our last lecture and last film. Remember that. Third, first one also, be shameless. And now, I'm going to play some music, some genre of music. I need to, anyone can raise your hands, come here, stand before people and dance to the music, look into their eyes, okay? And say, mere ko maza aa raha hai, tere ko nahi. So how many people would like to do this? Raise your hands. Okay, I love it. Did you see this? All the men in the house, other than Salman Khan, there is one more man here. It is 90% ladies. हम नाचेंगे. जिंदगी भर हम नाच ही तो रहे हैं. Men are like, अरे यार, I don't know. Okay, raise your hands. Please raise your hands. Raise your hands. Okay, I like that lady who is raising both hands. Please give her a good round of applause. No. Only, तुम लोग साथ में आते हो रामश्याम. Just one. You come. I'll call you. Please sit. Please, I'll call you. अरे इतना प्यार क्या? मैं आपको एक प्यार ढूंढ के देता हूँ. Okay, now what you need to do? What's your name?
Meenakshi Sharma from Vidyashram. Meenakshi Sharma Vidyashram.
Okay, Meenakshi, तुझे एक चीज करनी है. You have to go around. अपने दोस्त को नहीं चुनना है. इस ऑडिटोरियम में बैठा हुआ सबसे खूबसूरत इंसान, आदमी, मैं हूं, मुझे मालूम है. मैं तो करूंगा ही. मेरे अलावा सबसे खूबसूरत एक इंसान को ढूंढ के लाइए. जैसे ही ये मैंने बोला, 90% मर्द यहां पे वो तो पता नहीं कॉलेज में भी ऐसे होता था. Okay, so you have to choose a very good looking man from the crowd and get him here. Okay, don't go to a person that you know. He is feeling so happy. You're like, did you see he walked in slow motion? La 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 la, la 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 la. Okay. और इसके मन में ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है 17-18 सालों में. हमको यहाँ पे खड़ा करके ये आदमी कुछ और कर रहा है. Okay, please come to the dais. Okay, so I will play music. I'll play music, and you all three need to dance. Okay? While you're dancing, I might come to you, and I say, come with me. So you have to come with me, and if I point at her, so you have to give her a personal dance. Okay? Okay? Can we do that? Lovely. He is like, I'm ready, baby. So I'm not talking about full Monty or anything. Can we have some music, please? I'm sorry.
நாடின் நன்மகனே பொன்மகனே முத்தாயவனே இன்னும் சூரியனும் சந்திரனும் முன்னாயவனே காலம் காத்து வச்ச ரட்சகனே சிம்ஹாரகனே எங்கள் கண்ணனாய் வந்தவனே பயமே மாறிப்போனி அண்ணன் வந்த தும்பிட்டு நில்ல இருட்டு சிட்டி வாடும் ராஜாவுக்கு எல்லாரும் சொல்ல இவனை குருவான இன்னும் ஜனத்திலக்க காலம் எடுத்து வச்ச சொர்க்கம் போலும் மன்னப்பன
Please give her a good round of applause. You just witnessed magic. जब तक ये परफॉर्म कर रही थी, ये दोनों को कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. लेकिन इन लोग भी, अरे कुछ तो, अरे नारी शक्ति आपने अभी देखा. As soon as she left, खत्म हो गया हमारा. Now you know why marriages work in our country. Okay? But you're amazing. God bless you. Please give her a good round of applause, and to the gentleman here and the gentleman there. Thank you. Thank you. Please.
I'm not the best teacher. I'm not perfect as a human. I am a Hindi teacher. No. And I'm proud on myself because I am class teacher of class 10th, teaching 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th Hindi. Some students are very good in sports, in dance, in drama. Each and every teacher मुझसे आगे कंप्लेन करते हैं कि आपके बच्चे काम नहीं करते. थैंक यू सो मच. क्लास में होते नहीं हैं. फर्स्ट पीरियड में टीचर आए तो कहते खाना खाते हैं. What should I do? I told my child, one of my student is very good in this throw. I said, मेरे पीरियड में खाना खाओगे, मेरी क्लास मिस करोगे, अपनी प्रैक्टिस के लिए जाओगे, I will say nothing to you. He is in 10th. Principal will kill me अगर वो फेल हो गया तो. But I know एक दिन वो ओलंपिक्स में फेंक के आएगा और लोग उसको देखेंगे. ठीक है. There are 4 students who are very good in football, not as much good, but उनका पैशन है. I allowed them. तुम मेरा काम मत करो. मैं प्रिंसिपल की डांट सुनूंगी. तुम सिर्फ 2 क्वेश्चंस मेरे सामने बैठ के करो. मैं पढ़ाऊँ तब पढ़ लो. That's it. क्योंकि they are very good in maths. हिंदी अच्छी नहीं है कोई बात नहीं. मैथ्स तो अच्छी है ना. क्या हर टीचर में जिगरा होता है ये अपने ऊपर ब्लेम लेने का कि मेरे सब्जेक्ट में नंबर नहीं आए, बट ही इज डूइंग बेटर समथिंग समवेयर एल्स. सो आई थिंक आई एम प्राउड माई सेल्फ. यस, आई एम नॉट बेस्ट सर. सॉरी.
You just proved that you're best. Please give her a good round of applause. She's amazing. You have no idea how good you are. Let me tell you a reality. When Ravi asked me what kind of a topic, a moment of silence, a round of applause. A teacher waits all his or her life for a round of, which you never get. Only 15 August, 26 January, yeah, Teachers Day, वह मिलता है. But there is a moment of silence. क्या कर रहे हो वहाँ खड़े होकर? Okay. Let's get back. Okay. You saw 2 or 3. One was the victim, and the other 2 came here and did this. Now I'll show you something beautiful. Okay. I have danced with more than lakhs and lakhs of people in my life, and some people have been a witness to that yesterday as well. Okay. But we'll get there. I want all of you to take a page. Take a page out of your notebooks. You can tear it or take a page out of your notepad or whatever. And I hope you have a pen or pencil. Okay, write your name in caps lock, block letters on the top and the date today. Your name and the date today. On the top of the page, upar, date as well. Your name and date. On the top of the page, not on the middle of the page. ऊपर, पेज के सबसे ऊपर अपना नाम और आज की तारीख लिखिए. और मैं आपको अब बस 2 मिनट देने वाला हूं. इस 2 मिनट में एक बहुत सुंदर हाथी बनाइए. हाथी. Make an elephant on that page. Make an elephant. You're not you beautiful lady, come on. Draw an elephant. Some people are like, दिखता कैसा है हाथी. बगल वाले का कॉपी करने का कोशिश मत करिएगा, उसको भी कुछ नहीं मालूम. Please draw an elephant. बन चुका है. अरे वाह. Okay, once you're done give it to me, that page. Thank you. Vitesh, can I have some help? Yep. Lovely. आज पेन मिलेगा 2 मिनट में. Thank you. I heard someone telling another lady, पतला हाथी बनाओ, पतला हाथी बनाओ. अब ये हाथी पतला कैसा होता है आज तक मैंने नहीं देखा है. Lovely. अरे वाह. If you're teachers and you have a pretty good mind, you can always collect it around you and then give it to me. Thank you, lady. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. ये Thank you. सर आप इसे और गंदा बना नहीं सकते, दे दीजिए मुझे प्लीज. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट हाथी यही है. दीजिए, ये दीजिए. अरे दीजिए. अरे क्या फर्क है. अरे दीजिए. हाँ, थैंक यू. थैंक यू. ओके. ओके. ये आप कैमरा लाइव में दिखा सकते हैं, उधर दिखा सकते हैं. ये मैं आपके जूम करके जरा वो स्क्रीन पे लाइव दिखाइएगा. हाँ जी. ओके. थैंक यू. I love the earnestness. Some people are still making. मैं बना सकता हूँ. Very nice. Thank you. Okay. अरे बाप रे. Okay. नहीं, ठीक है. Then the problem here is the only people here in the front would have some fun. I'm not going to read everything or show you everything. I'm going to take these pictures with me today. I'm going to scan them, upload them on YouTube. Okay? Okay? And then I'm going to ask the world, what is basically the average age of the people who have drawn this? So, what do you think the answer would be? Answer कितना होगा? सात आठ थोड़ा ज्यादा नहीं है? Thank you. Thank you. 10-12 मेरी बच्ची इसे अच्छा बनाती है. हाँ, lovely. I'll show you a few. Okay? सावलीन आप कहाँ पे हो? इसमें सबसे अच्छे वाले निकाल कर देना मुझे. नहीं, अच्छे वाले. हाँ. सावलीन अरोरा कहाँ हैं आप? Please give her a good round of applause. हमें बचपन से सिखाया गया कि हाथी बहुत बड़ा जानवर होता है. उन्होंने उस परिभाषा के बारे में उसके बारे में सुना ही नहीं है और उन्होंने हाथी को कभी आगे से देखा ही नहीं, सिर्फ गजगामिनी पोज देखा है. ये उनका हाथी. इससे बड़ी तो मेरी जू है. महेश रजौरी कहाँ हैं आप? महेश जी कहाँ हैं? ये हाथी दूसरे हाथी से कभी मिला ही नहीं. ये हाथी नहीं, हाथी का प्रतिबिंब है. नहीं, एक्चुअली इट इज हाथी एंड अमीबा जब मिले तो ये पैदा हुआ. I'm sorry, many of you would not be able to say it from behind, but you will find it in our PPT today. और पद्मावती साहू किधर हैं आप? पद्मावती साहू, where are you? पद्मावती, धूम्रपान अच्छी चीज नहीं है। उन्होंने हाथी को सिगरेट दे दिया है, पता नहीं क्या है ये। ये क्या है, पैसिफायर है, सिगरेट? ओके, वेरी गुड। मधुरिमा रॉय, मधुरिमा रॉय, वेर इज मधुरिमा? तो उठ भी नहीं रही है। ओह लव, हाँ एग्जैक्टली। मधुरिमा को एक चीज तो मालूम है कि हाथी गोल है। कितना गोल है देखो। इट्स वेरी नाइस, इट्स नाइस। अच्छा, दैट इज व्हाई ही टुक इट आउट फ्रॉम द एंड। थैंक यू। नेक्स्ट प्लीज, जस्ट वन और टू मोर। राहुल सिंह, कहां हैं आप? राहुल सिंह, आपके हाथी को बहुत ठंड लग रही है, या फिर उसको पोलियो है, कुछ तो है। हाँ, I'll show this as well. ये है इसका हाथी। If you have made a small elephant, there is no scientific reason. Okay, listen to me very carefully. If you made a very small elephant, you don't give yourself very importance in the room. You would go inside principal's room and there will be all discussion, or you will only say, "हम तो समोसा ही खाने आए थे, चलो." This man has made an elephant with no eyes, no ears. ना सुनता है, ना देखता है। हाँ, it talks about you in a way. Okay, it really talks about you. Okay, one more, last one. There is one digital one which I saw there. हाँ, ये तो shit. गुर से रही, कौन है ये? गुर तो ये दे के भाग गया। ये आदमी, गेंद, ऊंट, हाथी तो इसमें है ही नहीं। ये क्या? मुझे गुर से, ही नीड्स ट्रीटमेंट। वेयर इज ही? आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज दिस। That's enough. अच्छा, one last one. नेहा चतुर्वेदी, नेहा चतुर्वेदी. Where is Neha Chaturvedi? Neha was very confused. हाथी का बड़ा आगे से बनाओ कि पीछे से? She was like, अरे क्या करें? एक काम करते हैं, 2 मार्क तो मिल ही जाएंगे, दोनों बराबर आते हैं। इनका हाथी कुछ ऐसा दिखता है। एक और गजगामनी, 2 गजगामनी. Now, did you see this one thing? This is something very beautiful. You can never be a great teacher if you can't laugh at yourself. दूसरे का आता है तो और जैसे तेरा आता है, काय हंस रहे हो दुष्ट? No, you're all good. You're good. You have to understand that we are not the masters of every art and every science on this planet. We know something and we are making a difference. But if you can't laugh at yourself, you are in for a great trouble. Because as filmmakers, and we run a school, we run a PG and graduate school, college and all. So there, students say ridiculous things to us. एक बार मेरे क्लास में एक बच्चा बड़े ध्यान से, मैंने कहा इतना ध्यान लगा कि कोई बच्चा आज तक मैंने देखा ही नहीं है, सुट्टा मार के बैठा था वो पूरे ध्यान के साथ. What reason can you make or what reason can you give that child? It's impossible. How many people in this room have Aadhaar card? So नहीं जस्ट ना अदूर तो सोच रहे मैं दे नहीं सकती, मतलब पासपोर्ट ऑफिस गया है तो. ओके, आई एम जस्ट किडिंग. यू हैव ना आधार कार्ड? दीज पेजेस आर योर औकात कार्ड. Whenever police stops you on the road, चलिए सिग्नल आपने दे, अरे हमें हम अब जानते हैं हम कौन है, अब जानते हैं हम फोन लगाएं क्या? उस समय आधार कार्ड को साइड में रखकर ये औकात कार्ड एक बार देख लेना। नहीं सर आप ठीक है, हो जाती है गलती। इफ यू कांट एक्सेप्ट योर मिस्टेक्स यू आर यूजलेस। ओन योर मिस्टेक्स, इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड देयर इज नॉट, यू नो अबाउट इट, देयर इज नथिंग टू क्लैप अबाउट इट, वी डोंट डू इट। टीचर्स के बारे में एक मोमेंट ऑफ साइलेंस। टीचर्स आर डिफेंसिव। टीचर नॉट ऑलवेज, देखो राइट नाउ ऑल्सो यूर डिफेंसिव। वी आर डिफेंसिव एंड दे ऑलवेज से टीचर्स ज्ञान देते हैं, ज्ञान लेते नहीं। सो दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। नाउ टेक इन अनदर पेज। आज क्योंकि तुम लोग, मेरा तो आज डायरी खत्म हो रहा है, हम सरस्वती मां को फाड़ रहे हैं कि करके। ओके, crumble the paper, tear the paper, spoil the paper as much as you can, but keep it intact. Even if you tear it, put the pieces in your hand like that. Even if you crumble it, keep it as one piece. Just don't throw it away. Make the page as dirty as possible. उस पेज को इतना गंदा करो, थूकना मत, ठीक है? गंदा करो पेज को, मरोड़ो, फाड़ो, लेकिन एक साथ, एकजुट में, एक साथ रखो उसको। Yeah, you can scribble on it. Yeah, you can scribble on it. Yes, lovely, lovely. As चाहिए तो उसको जमीन पर रख के जहां पर, yeah, okay, lovely. Did you do it? Good. Okay. इसने तो शुरू भी नहीं किया अभी तक। Okay, हो गया? Done? Done? Okay, now make it back how it was in the beginning. हाँ? हाँ? अरे ये तो कुछ नहीं मैम, वहां पे किसी ने टिश्यू पेपर का एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा लेकर ऐसे मोड़ दिया है। आपका तो साइज फिर भी अच्छा है इधर। ओके, कैन यू मेक इट बैक टू नॉर्मल? प्लीज डू इट। I want the crisp, like your sari is crisp. I want that paper to be crisp. प्रेस कर लेते हैं, मार्क्स रह जाएंगे ना? Those papers that you're holding, for me that's my customer, and for you that is your student. You can't change students, and we are constantly trying to change students, starting from our own family and our own kids. What are you changing? वो लड़का या लड़की दुनिया का अजूबा है, उसको अजूबा ही रहने दो। Like someone she said that कि फेंकेगा, पड़ेगा नहीं। It's very important to understand that. It is very beautiful to sit in an air-conditioned room and talk about this and say, yeah, reflection, yeah, you're right, even I think same. We are like-minded people. जैसे बाहर गया, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, सुनो। That should not happen. I have been a victim to the worst education. I got educated in Banaras, then in Panchgani, then in Mumbai, then in London, and then in New York. And I knew that education was a scam. There was only one good teacher, not because she was hot. Okay? She was the only one who told me, "Tera kuch ho sakta hai." Okay? Don't make education a scam. I know a moment of silence, teachers. You are powerless. I know you want to take the principal by shoulder. Idhar aa. Jane de sir. No, I'm not talking about every principal, but there are. You are powerless, and that is a moment of silence. You have no power. How many teachers in this room, please, okay, anything personal, professional, social, sexual, religious, political statements that I'm making here is for the benefit of the program. कोई केस वेस मत ठोकना मेरे ऊपर बाद में जाकर, ठीक है? How many teachers in this room, okay, it's a very blunt question, can work for the next 1 year without pay? And there is no bravery, वो मैं हूं, नाम नोट करो, HR को भेजो। Think about it. I cannot answer this question. You are very good at a lot of things. There are various ways to make money. If education is a way of making money, I don't know. You might say, "Tujhe kya malum? You're making films, you're running schools, so you know you're good." But I always believe that passion drives you. EMI to hum sabko bharna hai. But did I see any hand go up? There was this, did any hand go up without pay? None. Think about it. This is a reflection that you need to have. Yesterday, I was with 200 students there and I asked them, how many people wants to become teachers? No one raised their hands. And 2 or 3 people actually finally raised their hands. And I said, why? The students had no answer. But one of the gentlemen sitting there said, "Ki paise nahi milte yaar." So we have not made this profession aspirational. We have to make this profession aspirational. आपको देख के बोले, मेरे को ये बनना है. That is the most beautiful thing that you can do. If you are not making it aspirational, what's the use? We can all sit, because I've already told you, don't be defensive, so you're looking at me. ये कमीने ने बोल भी दिया, defensive नहीं हो सकते. अब क्या करें? Am I making sense there? Please ask that question and find an answer, and we can be in touch and we will talk about it. Okay? Am I making sense there? Are you there with me? Yes. I love you. So now, let me, before I start with my more tamashas, I want to invite Dr. Vinod Madhavan. Okay? He is our academic head of our college. Okay? And he's one of the finest minds I have seen in teachers training. And he happened to be free, and I told him that you should also come with me. Okay? So he'll be speaking to you for the next 15 minutes. Okay? He has something to say. Would you like to listen to him? Yeah? Dr. Vinod Madhavan, please give him a good round of applause. Sir, all yours.
Thank you, Pratish. Good morning. So me and Pratish, we share a very interesting relationship. So what we say is, he's the dream, I am the reality. That's what we say, right? Pratish is a great guy. He's got a great vision. I joined Pratish 2 years back because I loved what he does, which is he breaks very traditional stuff and we do things that many people cannot imagine. I have 28 years of academic experience. I've been the dean of a B school called TAPME in Manipal. I've been a teacher for the last 28 years. I've taught children, I've taught UG, I've taught PG. And you know something interesting? When I first got into teaching, my wife told me that join teaching, life is chill. After I joined teaching, I realized life is not chill. Now, I don't know if she took revenge on me or what was objective, but since 28 years, I've not been able to sit for 1 minute. You are not well read, you are redundant. Right? Today's world is talking of skills. Now, it's very interesting. I want you to understand, there are young teachers, there are very senior teachers. In the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s, our whole focus was on knowledge. Right? Everything was knowledge. Last 10 years, agar aap dekhoge, to the focus has moved to skills. Now, what is a teacher supposed to do, therefore? Is a teacher also supposed to upgrade their skills? It is divided. India, we have 2 schools of thought. एक school of thought ये बोलता है कि नहीं, we cannot get into skill building right now. मैं आपको एक example बताता हूँ. Yesterday, there was a fantastic session on AI, artificial intelligence. Now, some teachers are saying, हमको AI नहीं करने का है, because that youngsters is there, I will do what I'm good at. Fair enough, that is your strength. But there are also a set of teachers who come and say, नहीं, हमको AI सीखना है. लेकिन कौन सिखाएगा? Who will teach? So I've gone through the government websites of UGC, AICT, school boards, everything. MOOC है, open programs है, लेकिन how many of us are able to sit down, listen to those programs and learn? What we don't understand is teachers also need teaching. We also need teaching support. Right? So when we talk of pedagogy, it's a very big word. Or Americans and Europeans love to talk of pedagogy. This is a country of pedagogy. And what we have done, and I'm being very honest, guys, I mean, I didn't get suspended as a faculty. As a student, I've got suspended many times. But as a faculty, I've got multiple warnings from my deans and directors, because I always told them that when we structure things too much, we are actually killing curiosity. But we can't help it because regulator hai, school ka rules hai, we have to follow the rules. But the problem with overstructuring everything is we are killing creativity, we are killing curiosity. So when I joined Pratish, he gave me only one statement. He says, हमारे जो बच्चे हैं, graduation में, post graduation में जो बच्चे हैं, and by the way, please don't think that graduates and postgraduates are easy to handle. They are more difficult to handle. Because first of all, they don't listen to you. Second, the distractions are very high. There are colleges in South where the mobile phone is banned. They have put jammers. Do you have any idea what is the anxiety level of students? I have seen students breaking down because they feel they are missing out something. उनके भाषा में FOMO बोलते हैं. Fear of missing out. Just because the mobile phone is out for 1 hour from their hand. You give it to them, then the teacher is an orphan. Nobody listens to the teacher. So when Pratish gave me a mission statement, he told me very clearly, we need to create a program where a student should feel motivated to come to class every day. So I told him there is one more problem we need to solve. Our teachers also must have enough motivation to come to class. Because let me be blunt, there are teachers who need help today. And I loved it when he said a moment of silence, we don't ask for help. Last month, I have enrolled for a program. I went to my son, he's working in Bangalore. I told him, boss, I need to understand this concept called AI. बहुत पढ़ा है, बहुत YouTube वीडियो देखा है, but nobody is telling me how can I deploy it in education. I need help. And my son came back after 3 days and said, Appa, this is a program, enroll for it. I will enroll for the program. Now I am sharing this with you because if we are very shy of seeking help as teachers, we will be very, very redundant. And we will not be able to think like how the current children are thinking. Please, when you come to Bangalore, I work out of Bangalore, it's an IT hub. आपको मालूम है IT hub में क्या होता है? IT hub में supply is more than demand. There are thousands and lakhs of students in Bangalore. कितने companies हैं? It is a startup capital of India. सब लोगों को चीप लेबर चाहिए. चीप लेबर का मतलब क्या है? हर IT कंपनी को एक प्रोजेक्ट देंगे, 5,000 रुपए देंगे. अपने बच्चे आजकल क्या कर रहे हैं? 5,000 मिल रहा है, मम्मी पापा से पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है. I will go and do the project. You have any idea what project they are doing? They are cleaning data. एक्सेल शीट में मिलियंस ऑफ डेटा देते हैं, बच्चे बैठ के क्लीन करते हैं, 5,000 रुपए मिलेगा, सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा, बच्चे को अच्छा लगता है. नाउ इफ दिस चाइल्ड इज गोइंग टू 3 years ऑफ ग्रेजुएशन, अगर ये बच्चा बैठ के डेटा क्लीनिंग कर रहा है, एंड टुमारो व्हेन ही और शी गोस फॉर हायर एजुकेशन और इंटरव्यू, एंड व्हाट विल दे टेल देम? ओ आई डिड अ प्रोजेक्ट, आई डिड 6 projects in a company. The interviewer will say, क्या प्रोजेक्ट था? डेटा क्लीनिंग. It is the moment of truth for the child at that time when the recruiter says, this is nothing. There is no respect for what you did. By the time it's too late for the child to go back and correct it. So what we have done in terms of pedagogy, I have to use the term pedagogy because there is no substitute word for that, is how do we ensure that the children are engaged? Now engagement is 50% teacher's responsibility, 50% student's responsibility. And आप लोगों को ये मालूम है because all of you are teachers, there are children today who come from very difficult backgrounds. In the last 5 years of my career, I have spent more time in counseling centers than in the classroom because I see children who come from broken families. There are children who have undergone trauma. किससे बात करेंगे? And there is a lack of confidence. हम वो confidence को कैसे bring करेंगे? Lecture नहीं दे सकते. Outbound आप करिए. Outbound करते time ठीक है. After that, it's like a soda bottle. Fizz आएगा, fizz जाएगा. How do we permanently create that interest in the mind of the child? And that is why there are certain things that we are doing today, and Pratish wanted me to share this with you because we are all teachers at the end of the day, and if we don't share things with each other, don't reach out to each other and ask for help, I think we are doing a great disservice to our profession. Right? So what we have done, and I understand how school boards function. I work in the UG and PG level where regulation is very high. We have 2 bodies called UGC and ACT. हम सांस ले सकते हैं, बाकी पूरा उनके framework में आता है. Now, whatever we do, and I don't blame principals and teachers also because they come and tell me, Professor Vinod, it is okay, but मेरे को report देना पड़ता है, accreditation के लिए report submit करना पड़ता है, inspection time पे बोलना पड़ता है. So आप जो भी innovation करो, but please help me create documentation, and we are masters of documentation, and we are very good at it. And now with AI coming in, I see people creating more number of documentation. Right? So how do we do that? So we created a template. I believe in templating because it saves our time. It saves our energy. So let me give an example. Pratish has set up something called as an agency M. M stands for movement. Agency is like an ad agency. Do you know why we do that? When a student at 18 years, 7 to 18 years joins the graduation program, all the difficulties, tribulations, tensions, trauma comes to the college. After 12th, when the person comes to graduation, the person comes with all these things. How much time do you think it takes to remove it? We cannot give a time framework because different people have different thresholds. So what we do is the first year we have completely activity-based learning. Now the deans and principals are tensed because how do you fit it into the academic framework? So you know what we have done? We have gotten into academic, there is something called as continuous internal assessment. All of you know, CIA. CIA के अंदर हमने activities, we brought it in, we templated with grading. And then we tell the colleges, each activity is graded so that they are happy. But we tell the children, more than the grade, your learning is important. There are students who cry. There are students who break down. There are students who bunk classes because they don't want to do the activity. We are fine with that. But the outcome of this activity is, today 19-year-old, 2 girls in Bangalore have set up their first digital marketing agency from their homes. And they have taken the services, they are giving services to 2 local businesses. And that is the outcome of showing the freedom to the kids. In the sense, we don't judge them. And in pedagogy, that is the most important thing which Western pedagogy doesn't talk about, which is you can't judge people. Different people have different learning capabilities. Come to PG, it is worse. In post-graduation, 99% of the time, we torture students with PPT. You have any idea what a PPT does to an average person? It's the exact effect that you have with a blue screen. What does a blue screen do? How many of you know this? That's what I'm saying. As a community, we need to learn. What does a blue screen do to our mind? It manipulates. It manipulates. Why has China banned some of these apps and some of these TikTok and they don't have TikTok, that's the best part, they give it to the world. Why have they banned Facebook? Why have they banned Instagram? Why is China very clear that we don't want all this blue screen stuff? Because blue screen plays with your mind, it manipulates. So today in your own home, I have a niece who is 8 years old and she throws tantrums when the mobile phone is taken away from her. And my sister fails to understand, being a dentist, that she is addicted. Addiction cannot be solved by taking away the mobile phone. You know what the child will do? The child will try to find another mobile phone. Because the child is more enterprising than you and me. So our challenge, our problem statement is very clear. Can we have a session of 60 minutes with a student where the student does not feel the necessity to touch the phone? Now as teachers, if we don't have the willpower not to touch the phone for 1 hour, we can't expect our students not to touch the mobile phone for 1 hour. So I tell my dean every time, jammer nikal dijiye, jammer nahi chahiye college mein. Aap board nikal dijiye, cell phones are not allowed inside the class. Let us take a test. My own colleagues went against me because they know that if they remove the cell phone rules and make attendance not compulsory, hardly 5 children will turn up for his class. And who are the 5? They are fans. Whose fans? Teachers' fans. What about the remaining 55? They won't come because your class has no meaning to them. That is the challenge teachers have today. Right? So what we have to understand is, we need to speak the language of the generation. Otherwise, they will not tell us on our face. But in the circle, they will say, ye old generation hai. We may not be very old, we are just 50s. But then for them, we are primitive. We are dinosaur age. Yes. So imagine if you start, I'll give you a small trick. Try doing this. When you go into the class and say, good morning, if you start your class by saying, do you know what? Did you see this reel on Instagram? And they'll say, oh yeah, I saw that. Generation Alpha is 1 step ahead of Generation Z. Alpha is at a different level. Their thought process is completely different. You start a conversation with that, the next 50 minutes, they're your fans. It's unfortunate, but that is the truth. And that is the way it is coming. Now for us, in the field of branding advertising, our challenge is very simple. How do you make an 18-year-old student bundle of energy out of jail for the first time? Jail means home. And you know why graduates in India are like freed tigers from a cage? Because most of the time they are controlled. and they're waiting for graduation. The unfortunate ones will study in the same hometown and stay with parents. The more fortunate ones will go outside. And when they go out, you should see their behavior. It's as if they're coming out of a cage. How do you control these people in a class of 60, 70? Wild people. Very difficult to control. So what we have done is we have set up an agency called Agency M. Do you know what we do in Agency M? They work on live projects with clients. And this is the best part. As a teacher, if I tell my student, you need to improve, the guy in his mind will say, first you improve. But when the client rejects the project of the student and the client says, this is very average, the student actually gets shocked because nobody has told the student that feedback. And teachers, I must also tell you an interesting thing. I always keep telling Pratish this. My generation grew up with a lot of toughness. I could not go to my father, mother and teacher and say, I'm not in a mood to do it. You know what is the outcome? One of the reasons my neck and cheeks are very strong and my head is very strong is because I've got so many beatings from everybody. Even the security guard has beaten me. Yeah? We didn't have a harassment complaint in those days. I didn't even go and tell my dad that the sports teacher whacked me with a cane because the cane was new. Yeah? Today, at graduation level, if you tell a student your project is not up to the mark, a mail goes from the parent to the principal saying, "Sambhalo apne faculty ko." I somehow feel we are making our children fairly weak. They are not receptive to feedback. At the postgraduate level, it is even more disastrous. ये cat वैट लिख के 95 percentile लेके B school में आते हैं और बैठते हैं. And when the faculty says, आपने पढ़ा case study, analysis दीजिए, वो कुछ बोलेगा, faculty सवाल पूछेगा. How can you ask me a question? I have paid fees. So they feel they are a consumer. And what are we then? Service delivery. हम क्या हैं? So somewhere I think we are becoming extremely sensitive, and this is going to become a problem for all teachers, which is why the pedagogy cannot be the 60s and 70s and 80s, because the children have changed. Children have changed. That's the truth. They have changed. Have you heard of people negotiating for marks? Please come to South, I'll show you. There are people who negotiate for marks. The parent comes for forget the child. The parent comes and says, why has my son or daughter not scored? Why did you cut this 5 marks? Today we are preparing rubrics, ladies and gentlemen. Rubrics, parents won't understand rubric, but still we prepare. And when they ask why, we say, here is a horoscope, see this. This is a rubric. And this is why your marks are coming down. So we are in a very activist environment today, where teachers are questioned by everybody. Our capabilities are questioned. And that is why pedagogy becomes extremely important. Now, when our children work on live projects, what we actually see is that they are getting feedback from people whom they don't know, and they are getting feedback from absolutely good professionals. So in one of the projects, I remember, this lady asked the cinematographer or the creative writer, he looked at that presentation and said, this is very poor. ये तो एक second में कोई भी इसको बाहर फेंक देगा. This girl had she was so angry. She said, how would you have made it? You know what he did? And this is the beauty of industry guys, some of the industry guys. He said, you have time? She said, I have time. He said, just give me a minute. He opened his laptop. He changed his laptop, which is a professional laptop. He entirely developed the whole thing in 90 minutes. And a class of 60 is watching this. And he says, ye to basic hai. Next day, all the students come to us and say, we want to learn copywriting. We want to see how we did it. Hum bhi kar sakte hain. Good. We are today doing copywriting workshops for them. So the point is very simple. Before I hand over the mic to Pratish, if the demand for something comes from the students, that means we as teachers are winning. I hope you're able to understand. Yeah? We are winning. So when students demand something, we are winning. If the student is not demanding anything, that means there is a problem. We need to address that problem. Can I just give one more example?
शेखर सर ने बोला कि मफलर नहीं देंगे.
अच्छा. One more example. Okay, fine. I respect that. Thank you. I'll give it to Pratish.
मफलर तो लेना है. Okay. Now the purpose I came here this time. Thank you, Ravi, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so very much for listening to me. And I want to hope and believe that something touched. शेखर सर 2 मिनट जबरदस्ती मत करिएगा. ठीक है. पैसे दिए इसके. Okay. We are doing something amazing. How many people have visited or gone to a film festival? Film festival कभी गए आप? आप film festival नहीं गए? बहुत कम लोग. Okay, so at festival is even lesser. So we have started a students at fest. So, which is, who is the biggest advertising person in our country?
अमिताभ बच्चन.
कुछ नहीं आता इसको. हाँ, मूंछ वाला कौन है मूंछ वाला? पांडे, पीयूष पांडे. So we have got the Shah Rukh Khans and Amitabh Bachchans of advertising industry, and we are setting up this year onwards. हमारे ad fest का नाम है गुठली. ये मुंबई में होने वाला है. Okay, and more than 15,000 students are going to be a part of this. We also have some faculty development program for you to know. सिनेमा बिकती नहीं है लेकिन इश्तिहार बिकते हैं. आपकी पहने हुए कुर्ते से पहने हुई चड्डी तक हमने बेची है, आपने खरीदी नहीं है. और this is the only profession that gets you money. So I'll just play one video here which talks about our ad fest and then I will leave. Thank you so very much for bearing me. Thank you Vinod sir. Can we have the video please?
1 second before that. Yeah, come with me. 2 minutes I have to take with you. Yes. The last 1.5 hours, what have you learned from him? Quick answers. Come, sir. Quick answers. What have, yes, quick. Yeah. No, you can't. You have to say one sentence. Yeah.
I take cash.
Out of your comfort zone. Yes. Be shameless. Say it again. Say it again. Huh? Don't, that's very important. Say it again. Don't take yourself too seriously. Huh?
And don't shy to ask help.
Don't be shy to ask help, especially if it's money from the husband.
Don't make education.
Don't make education a scam. The men folk. Yes. Huh? Be lively. Yes. Inspirational profession. Huh? VIP feel karo. Acha. Sir, if you give 9th pay commission, immediately we will feel VIP. Huh? Admit your mistakes. What else do you want? This is why I said, give me those facts. Yeah. I know, that's why, I know that. So this is exactly the case. Can we put our hands together to give this young man a big round of applause? Ajao sir. Yeah. Yes. So, mala pehna diya, shadi nahi hai. Give him a big round of applause. Yeah. भाई और बहनों, मेरे प्यारे देशवासियों, आपको खाना खाने के लिए सिर्फ 20, यार इसको रिकॉर्ड मत कर यार. I don't want to become another